Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover your Ubisoft account. Open up Ubisoft in your web browser. Hit on your profile icon from the upper right corner. Accept the cookies. Then click on Forgot Your Password from Login form. Here, enter your email. Then they will send you a link to set your new password. After entering your email, click on Submit. Now the link is sent to your email to reset the password. Open your Gmail to get the link to reset your password. Click on Reset Password link from the mail. Enter your new password and click to continue. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.